Can you identify the make and model of 20 vintage automobiles from their photos? Let's start the classic car quiz. Is this classic car A. 1977 Chevy Monte Carlo Landau, B. 1971 Olds Cutlass Supreme, C. 1974 Pontiac Grand Prix SJ, D. 1979 Chrysler Cordoba? The correct answer is A. 1977 Chevrolet Monte Carlo Landau. The choices are A. 1968 AMC AMX, B. 1966 Buick Riviera GS, C. 1969 Jensen Interceptor, D. 1967 Studebaker Avanti. It's D. 1967 Studebaker Avanti. Is this car A. 1946 Kaiser Special, B. 1949 Oldsmobile Futuramic 88, C. 1948 Tucker 48, D. 1947 Studebaker Champion? This classic is C. 1948 Tucker 48, also known as the Torpedo. If you're enjoying this quiz, be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss our next classic car quiz. Do you think this auto is A. 1968 Mercury Monterey, B. 1964 Oldsmobile Dynamic 88, C. 1961 Ford Galaxy, D. 1960 Chevrolet Impala? As you might have guessed, this is D. 1960 Chevrolet Impala. Are we looking at A. 1955 Packard 400, B. 1956 Continental Mark II, C. 1951 Lincoln Cosmopolitan, D. 1954 Imperial Crown? You're riding in style with A. 1955 Packard 400. Is this classic A. 1975 Cadillac Eldorado, B. 1978 Aston Martin V8, C. 1976 Lincoln Continental, D. 1973 Stutz Blackhawk 3? This is D. 1973 Stutz Blackhawk 3. Your choices are A. 1937 Chrysler Airflow, B. 1936 Lincoln Zephyr, C. 1935 DeSoto Airflow, D. 1939 Mercury 8. The correct answer is C. 1935 DeSoto Airflow. Do you think this is A. 1954 Pontiac Chieftain, B. 1953 Buick Super Riviera, C. 1951 Ford Custom Deluxe, D. 1950 Oldsmobile 88? If you pick D, 1950 Oldsmobile 88, you're correct. Is this one A. 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS, B. 1976 Ford Torino Cobra, C. 1975 Buick Grand Sport, D. 1974 Plymouth Roadrunner? You're looking at A. 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Pick from A. 1957 BMW 507, B. 1959 Lotus Elite, C. 1959 Alfa Romeo Giulietta, D. 1958 Porsche 356A. The right answer is D. 1958 Porsche 356A. Is this car A. 1965 Lincoln Continental, B. 1963 Buick Electra 225, C. 1967 Mercury Park Lane, D. 1969 Ford LTD? This classic is A. 1965 Lincoln Continental. What's your best guess for this one? A. 1927 Hudson Super 6, B. 1924 Studebaker Special 6, C. 1929 Chevrolet AC, D. 1926 Chrysler Model 58. Yes, it's C. 1929 Chevrolet AC. Is this vintage auto A. 1958 Pontiac Chieftain, B. 1957 Plymouth Belvedere, C. 1955 Mercury Monterey. D. 1959 Ford Fairlane 500. This one is D. 1959 Ford Fairlane 500. Is this muscle car A. 1973 Plymouth Barracuda, B. 1971 Dodge Challenger RT, C. 1972 Ford Mustang Mach 1, D. 1970 Chevrolet Camaro SS? If you guessed B, 1971 Dodge Challenger RT, you're right. Is this vehicle A. 1964 Ferrari 250, B. 1960 Aston Martin DB4, C. 1967 Porsche 911S, D. 1969 Iso Grifo? This is A. 1964 Ferrari 250. Which of these do you think this is? A. 1958 Pontiac Bonneville, B. 1957 DeSoto Adventurer, C. 1958 Imperial Crown, D. 1959 Cadillac Eldorado? You got it right if you answered D. 1959 Cadillac Eldorado. Is this classic pickup truck A. 1967 Dodge D100 Adventurer, B. 1968 International 1100C, C. 1968 Ford F100 Ranger, D. 1967 Chevrolet C10 Custom? The correct choice is C. 1968 Ford F100 Ranger. Do you think this wagon is A. 1976 Ford Pinto, B. 1979 Datsun 210, C. 1971 Volvo 145, D. 1978 Subaru DL? It's B. 1979 Datsun 210. Is this one A. 1977 Toyota Celica GT, B. 1971 Dodge Challenger RT, C. 1973 Oldsmobile Cutlass S, D. 1972 Plymouth Barracuda. This one is D, 1972 Plymouth Barracuda. What's your best guess for this one? A, 1958 Edsel Citation. B, 1957 Mercury Turnpike Cruiser. C, 1959 Lincoln Premier. D, 1958 Buick Limited. If you said C, 1959 Lincoln Premier, give yourself a point. Leave a comment and let us know how well you did on the quiz. Don't miss the next Classic Car Quiz. Subscribe to our channel now.